Greetings from Max Minus. Max Minus Training and Project Consulting Company. We do arrange Selenium training for corporate and individual, project support for corporate, and job support for individual via Selenium Freelancer or agency. We are 15 years old company. Max Minus is one of the best online Selenium job support company. Whether implementing new products or upgrading your current environment, Max Minus can provide remote Selenium job support for the functional and technical aspect of your projects. We ensure your project's success at a lower cost than having an on-site consultant and without the skill gap, time zone, and communication issues experienced when offshoring project roles. More efficient and cost-effective services from dedicated Selenium freelancer who know your business and your systems. Hire Selenium Freelancer for implementation, consulting, and outsourcing of Selenium projects. Hire Selenium Freelancer and get Selenium Freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year. Contract assignment. Hire Selenium Freelancer for implementation and outsourcing projects, and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality, and meeting the customer's current and future challenges. Outsource Selenium work and our exclusive SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Agenda. Introduction, flexible packages, features and benefits, consulting range. Why Maximinus? Selenium Freelancer for Selenium support. If you are working on Selenium products and facing any problem while working on it and you want to outsource Selenium projects, then Maximinus is just a call email away to provide your Selenium help. We provide Selenium online job support for professionals to help them perform their tasks on Selenium products. We have a wide range of Selenium subject matter experts, highly experienced professional trainer having at least 12 to 15 years of relevant experience in this field. They are certified and have done 10 to 15 implementation projects. They exclusively work with us as Selenium freelancers. We provide Selenium job support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individual, we provide Selenium freelancers who will do Selenium job support or Selenium project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Selenium freelancer who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Selenium freelancer can provide end-to-end Selenium project support as well as Selenium implementation support. Selenium freelancers are available in your time zone. It can be from USA, UK, India, Europe, etc. as per your requirement. Process we follow. The process we follow for our online Selenium job support service. We receive your inquiry for Selenium online job support. We will arrange a conference call with our consultant to understand your complete requirement and the tools you are using. If our consultant is 100% confident in taking up your requirement and when you are also comfortable with our consultant, then only we will agree to provide service and you have to make the payment to get the service from us. We will fix the timing for the Selenium job support or Selenium help us mutually agreed by you and our consultant. We have a wide range of Selenium consultants available who can provide end-to-end complete Selenium implementation support in project in your specified time duration. The best part with us is that you just need to share your requirements with us and reset all will be done by Maximinus and your project starts. Flexible packages. Our website is considered as the best Selenium job support company and the best website to hire Selenium freelancer. We have designed some very flexible plans which will help the employee to find and hire Selenium freelancer as per their needs. Even Selenium implementation support in highly complex projects is also available. Pay per ticket. If you have any technical issue in your job and you want to take Selenium job support to solve those issues, then you can raise a ticket by contacting us by either email or phone. So this plan is for those who want our service on a ticket basis. Pay per hour. If you have some technical issue in your job and you want a Selenium help from our experts for continuous guidance in solving the issue, then you can optimize for this hourly plan. Take online Selenium job support for requirement hourly and pay only for those hours consumed. Pay per month. If you have some major technical issue in your job and you need Selenium help, then our experts provide continuous guidance in solving all the issues and you can optimize for this monthly plan. Take online Selenium job support for the whole support for the complete month. Discuss issues whenever it arises. We will provide step-by-step Selenium installation guide and we will help you to complete your project well in time. Emergency support plan. If you are looking for some immediate solutions in solving any issue, then this plan is best for you. Get Selenium job support and our expert will be available on immediate basis to solve your query. Features and benefits. Customize Selenium freelancer services for individual as well as corporate. It will be smoother flow of project with us and you will be able to do 24/7 tracking of Selenium projects. It will be ultimate cost effective solution. As we have 15 years of experience, we are quite capable of handling big data and security challenges. Selenium projects consulting range. Max Minutes provide customized Selenium job support services remotely via online for individual candidates and corporate clients. Max Minus is considered as best freelancer Selenium consulting company and the best Selenium implementation support partner for its clients. Max Minus has expertise in all product of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. In all the above mentioned companies' products, you can confidently outsource Selenium projects to us. We can support you from 1 hour work to 1 year contractual work. Functional and technical application consultants for resolving issue, application support resources for coordinating issue across other teams, technical consulting including application database administrator and project manager to provide overall management of your projects. Our freelance Selenium crew has deep expertise in products and solution and has the ability to implement complex solution and provide post-implementation project support also across anywhere in the world. Some of the area are mentioned below. Project management, project quality assurance development, process optimization and system optimization, workforce system optimization, implementation and post-implementation support. Dreams. Hire Selenium freelancers for implementation consulting and outsourcing of projects. As you know, we have a wide range of Selenium subject matter experts. They exclusively work with us as a Selenium freelancers. We provide Selenium project support to individual as well as corporate clients. For individuals, we provide Selenium freelancers who will do Selenium job support or Selenium project support in their project remotely via online. For corporate clients, we provide a Selenium freelancers who provide project support for their IT projects. Our Selenium freelancers can handle end-to-end Selenium implementation as well as Selenium project support. Hire Selenium freelancers and get Selenium freelancer support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Hire Selenium freelancers for implementation and outsourcing project and they will deliver projects on time, within budget, with a high level of quality and meeting the customer's current future challenges. Outsource. Selenium works and our exclusively SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solutions, resources, and training. Best websites to find and hire Selenium freelancers. Selenium is an open source transformable framework tool that automates web browsers which is used for testing web application was released in 2004 as an internal tool. It is issue a single interface that let the developer write test scripts in programming languages like Ruby, Java, Node.js, PHP, and Perl, Python, and C hash, among others. Selenium is still popular among all other testing tools through it commands a lot of technical knowledge on the part of the tester as well as knowledge about using third-party tool. It has got the ability to rule the IT market for quite a few years. Selenium has an enormous and active user community that offers comprehensive support which makes this tool highly resourceful and cost-effective for both developers and businesses. It allows you to document all the tests carried out through the browser. It supports multiple web browsers like Internet Explorer, Safari, Firefox, Chrome, etc. There are many advantages of using Selenium of automated testing as it provides languages and framework support, multi-browse support across various operating systems, ease of implementation and reusability and integration etc. Currently, 2023 companies use these Selenium tools in their tech stacks, including Delivery Hero, Via Virgo, Accenture, Trivago, N26, and Alibaba Travels, etc. Max Munoz, Selenium Support. Max Munoz is Selenium project support consulting company. Selenium project support for corporate and job support for individual via Selenium freelancers or Selenium implementation. Selenium freelancers hire Selenium freelancers and get online Selenium job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Outsource Selenium project and our exclusively MECM SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system, implementation solution, resources, and training. Talking about Selenium Project Consulting, Max Minus is a 15-year-old trustworthy Selenium Project Consulting company. We have received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. Get extra Selenium job support to individual in their projects. Selenium support for corporate. We have customized Selenium project support as per company Selenium project requirement. Company will be having flexibility to choose location mode, on-site, online, and we will arrange professional as per their requirement. Companies will have flexibility to select Selenium freelancers from a pool of professional subject matters expert. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Selenium implementation and consulting. Our industry-specific subject matter expert will provide excellent help in Selenium implementation and consulting. We will help companies and their employees to start working on the projects from day one. Selenium support benefits for individual person. Customize support as individual Selenium project requirement. Get complete Selenium job support. We will help employee to start working on the project from day first on Selenium projects. Flexibility to choose a schedule and work and learn on Selenium projects as per individual requirements. We will arrange industry-specific subject matter expert to provide Selenium job support for your Selenium projects. We will provide step-by-step progress assessment of your Selenium projects. Selenium market opportunity. Let's talk about current Selenium market opportunity. I have written top best job sites for USA, UK, Europe, and India. You can apply and get Selenium job across the globe. And wherever you stuck in project, we are there with you. Hire Selenium freelancers and get customized Selenium support in online or remotely. Our clients are follow. Selenium support across globe. Maximinus has successfully conducted 10,000 plus freelancer Selenium support for implementation and outsourcing projects for individual and corporate clients. Get support across the globe. Hire Selenium freelancers from Hyderabad, Bangalore, Bengaluru, India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, USA, UK, Netherlands, Ireland, Austria, Israel, Singapore, Australia, Canada, Denmark, Belgium, Poland, Hong Kong, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Denmark, Bahrain, Japan, South Korea, UAE, Switzerland, Kuwait, Spain, UK, Russia, China, Belarus, Luxembourg. Why Max Muniz? One of the biggest challenge why big IT projects are not shared on freelancing sites is that most of the time the relevant set of IT skilled professional is not available to work as a freelancers. Maximinus is considered the best freelancer Selenium consulting company. Maximinus has expertise in all products of IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, all ERP, supply chain, cloud, etc. Selenium as well as step-by-step Selenium guide and solution on all tickets of above mentioned companies and their products. Hire Selenium freelancers online or subject matter experts after seeing the review will not be a great idea when it comes to IT projects because all projects are time bound, hence we provide complete customized solutions to you. We will arrange a video conference call with the subject matter experts. The client can discuss everything with him. Once the client gets satisfied regarding this expertise of the subject matter experts or expert Selenium freelancers, then only he needs to pay. If anything goes wrong or immediate replacement will be provided by Maximus at no cost. The money will be released to Selenium freelancers or subject matter experts at various levels of project completion after approval from the client. Conclusion. Selenium support. On concluding, I may say that we will help you with below mentioned details. Hire Selenium freelancers and got online Selenium job support from 1 hour to 1 year contract assignment. Customize Selenium support as per company Selenium project requirement. Industry specific senior subject matter experts will be arranged who know your Selenium project well in advance and have done very good implementation projects on the same. Outsource Selenium projects and our exclusively SME work closely with your business to ensure you get the most out of your IT solutions, offering system implementation solution, resources and training. Customize Selenium support for individual for Selenium job support in their Selenium projects. You can reach us at the given website for any details on Selenium support. Selenium freelancers reach us through contact number USA, UK, India, WhatsApp number and email ID contact@maxmunius.com. Thank you. Your satisfaction is our main responsibility.